Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be finishing up part 2 of the card guards that I started. Basically the only thing I have to do yet is to give them arms and legs, and this is where I finish them. So here we go.
Okay, so the very first thing you see me doing is I am first tracing, or not really tracing, I am drawing a rough shape of what I want the arm to look like. So I just cut that out and then I traced it onto the other side of the paper, so I had two matching arms. And I'm pretty much winging this entire project, so oops. So this is where I am figuring out what kind of shape I want the hand to be, because I definitely want to give him a hand, and I'm pretty much giving him a gloved hand, or I guess in this case more of a mitten hand because there's no fingers. But I personally like how it turned out in the end, so I'm okay with this. Now, after that I did trace it, so I would have two of them roughly the same shape, and I cut it out. Now, I do know that there are some versions of the card guards where they're either like strips of paper, or, I mean, they could have fingers, but me personally, I liked just this kind of mitten look. I think it turned out really cool. So the next thing I'm going to do is the legs. I just cut out like a longer strip of paper, and I cut that in half so I would have two of the legs. Roughly shaped foot. I tried, like I said, I was winging it this entire time, and I didn't really have like a stencil or anything to follow, so I'm kind of just roughing it. I also gave it the slightly same shape of the tops of the gloves as I did the top of the foot. And that's what it looks like. Now, I did actually have to trim the legs like thinner, because otherwise you would have seen them like showing through, which that was okay. I didn't mind doing that. That was all right. The end product still looked really good, so I was really happy with it. As you can see now, I'm just finishing to cut the legs, and now it's time for the gluing. I first glued all of the pieces together. For example, I just glued the feet to the legs, and then I took out some popsicle sticks. Now, the popsicle sticks are to help keep everything basically in place so it doesn't fall over, or just so it's not completely flimsy. You might have seen me do this to the faces when I put those on. So I just put the popsicle sticks, basically part of it on the card, part of it on the leg, just for stability to help keep it secure. And then after that, I'm just gluing in pieces that I think need some extra glue. And then after that, I basically did that to the arms and legs as well. Afterwards, I got this, and I'm pretty happy with it. I just had to repeat that 4 more times.
So that was pretty much how I made them. There were a couple bumps in the road because I was winging it, which I tend to do a lot for my projects, but like I was winging the shape of the hands and the feet, but overall I am really happy with them. I really like how they turned out, so I'm excited for the tea party. So that was pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!